we're here on the Southern Cross Compressors stand at National Manufacturing Week, and I have with me Mark Ferguson, CEO of the company. And what are you thinking of it so far, Mark, the show?
So far it's been really good. We've had a lot of inquiries. We've been really happy with the response from people coming onto the stand. So far it's been really positive.
And what's the main feature you've got around here? I think we're standing in front of it.
Yeah, we've got a couple of new products. One's a new permanent magnet two-stage compressor, which is variable speed, but the unit offers a great efficiency. It has really high sort of top-end output for the input power that we're putting into it. It has a permanent magnet motor, which offers a lot of energy savings that are quite unique, and combine that with a variable speed drive means that the machine can operate over a very wide capacity range. So,
Ticking all the efficiency boxes.
Ticking all the efficiency boxes. We kind of get the best of all three worlds of getting two-stage technology, variable speed drive, and the permanent magnet motor.
Okay. Mark Ferguson, thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
Cheers. So I'm with Daniel Fisher of Applied Machinery. Daniel, biggest ever applied machinery stand I've ever seen at Austech. How's it been for you so far?
Look, it is, Lawrence. This year at Austech's been fantastic. We're launching our new HLX series fibre laser. See a little bit of the footage on the screen here. A high spec, high speed machine, perfectly suited for the Australian industry. But Austech in general has been fantastic. We've seen numbers through the door that we've been really happy with. And yes, our stand is our biggest one to date. But when we work with some of the world's largest machinery manufacturers, we have to do them justice by bringing them to the show, and we couldn't be happier.
And they're large machines as well. Thanks, Daniel. Well, I've got Robbie Clark here, the organiser of National Manufacturing Week. You look a happy man.
I am a very happy man, thank you, Lawrence.
I mean, the numbers look good, the size looks good. What's the reaction been from the exhibitors?
We've had a fantastic reaction so far. We're now into day 3 of National Manufacturing Week. Day 1 and day 2 have been very successful, both up on attendance, which of course is a key little measure for us, but most importantly is the feedback from our exhibitors, and it has been very, very positive so far, so we're very pleased.
Good. And shame you can't do it every year, but...
Well, we would definitely love to do it every year, as I know our event partners, Austech, would as well, but having the event every 2 years here in Melbourne is it's a great formula. It works very well. We can put on a large-scale manufacturing-focused event like this, National Manufacturing Week and Austech combined, and it attracts north of 10,000 people over the 4 days, and that's it's a wonderful thing to be able to achieve. And you can see that we've managed to fill the aisles and fill the stands, and lots of education like the conference behind us, and so it's been great.
And I think that's just been the proof of the pudding. Well, I'm with a very happy, I would think, Shane Infanti from Amtil. Biggest Austech ever.
I've got a smile on my face. No, we're very pleased with it. It's been... we took the similar size space that we had 2 years ago, and we sold out in October last year. And as a result of that, we took 2 more bays. We've sold them out. We've fully sold. But I think it's more so not just the size of the show; it's the quality of the exhibits, and we're just ecstatic that our members have put on such a terrific display. New technology here, and our visitor numbers are 30% up. So. And all our exhibitors are happy, so if they're happy, I'm happy.
And we're happy for you.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shane. Cheers. Here on the small stand at National Manufacturing Week with Peter Hutchings, who's the local MD. The emphasis for you is obviously productivity increasing for for your clients, but also very strongly on the OH&S factors?
Absolutely. The situation we're seeing in the marketplace is a lot of businesses are wanting to improve their productivity. That's no surprise, but there's a trend towards increasing focus around OH&S. So some of the products like we've got here are very useful in loading of large format products, so chipboard, sheet metal, onto CNC machines, onto laser cutting machines. So they really help with both the productivity and also with the OH&S issues.
And that's particularly so for oddly shaped items, I guess.
Yes, all sorts of shape, but large formats. So we can handle sheets here that are maybe 3 metres long by 1.5 metres wide. 1, 2, 300 kilo sheets. So it can be in sheet metal, it can be in plate steel, it can be in timber, it can be in glass, as we're doing here with this particular Vacuum Master unit. And some of these have additional functionality to help with the OH&S, like rotation of the product. We have other ones with tipping of the product. So all of the functionality to help 2-speed hoists to lift it slower or faster speeds, all associated with the productivity, but as I said, also the OH&S issues.
Well, as someone with a dodgy back, anything that helps is a great idea.
I'm sure we can help you as well.
Okay.
Fabulous.
Thanks,
Good on
Peter.
you. Thanks very
Cheers.
much.
I'm Chris Barnes from BOC. I'm here today at National Manufacturing Week on the BOC stand and talking to our customers, showcasing the innovations and the products that we are bringing to market. We're finding it very positive. If you look around the stand today now, you can see that there's a lot of people on here, a lot of people interested in the things that we're doing within the BOC organisation. Obviously a lot of interest in what we've done with our IoT space, but also in our range of machines and our gases that we're trying to continue to innovate. So there's a lot of good opportunities coming through for us. Number of leads that we'll follow up on, which will hopefully turn into benefits both for these guys as customers and for us as a supplier moving forward.